Hey guys, welcome to my video. Today I would like to introduce parts of my new energy connectors. Here are our single pin push and pull connector here. Let me show you some details. Here is the straight plug and this one also the straight plug. Let me show you. You can see here is a X key and we have 5 keys options to prevent misplug between different keys. This is the dust cover. It's easy to push and pull, easy to install. And here is the right angle plug. And they have the match socket. If you want more details, please contact me.